Hello, Frank Abusick here again. Going to take a look at opening several image files in Monteverdi. So I have the Monteverdi viewer open. I can come up here to the folder open, and I have 9 TIF images here. I want to go ahead and open up all of those TIF images. Takes a moment or two to open them. Then I'm just going to come up here and expand to the full extent. So here we have 9 TIF images. These are 4-band NAIP imagery near Charlotte, North Carolina and USA. So let's say I just want to work with the first image here, and if I just turn that off, you can on and off, you can see which image it is that I am interacting with. Here you have the color setup. So I'm going to come in and adjust this to be a color infrared display. And once I do that, if I want to apply that setting to all the other images that I have open in my layer stack, I can come here to this icon to apply all display settings to the other images. So that's pretty nice. Down here in the color dynamics, I have access to the histogram clip ranges. So if I wanted to make an adjustment maybe and clip this to 5% instead of the default 2, and then click on this triangle to apply that, and then again I come up here and apply that to all of my images. Maybe I like it better at 2, so we'll just go to bed and reset it. So that's a few different examples that we can do very quickly, just kind of manipulating how the imagery looks in the viewer. Again, under the View menu, I can look at the Quick Look view, and then if I zoom in here, you can see, or maybe not see, where the extent that I am zoomed in. There is a red box here over top my color infrared. It's a little hard to see, but trust me, it gets there. So go ahead and turn off the Quick Look view. Let's say maybe I wanted to mosaic all 9 images together. I can come up here to the Applications browser, type in Mosaic, double click on the Mosaic tool, and here I can bring in all 9 images into a mosaic process. And the way that we do that, the best way that I haven't found a way to select all and just drag over here. So it looks like we have to add another 8 file selectors. So I already have one, so let's say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then one at a time, I can drag those in. A bit tedious, but I'm sure there may be a quicker way to do this. But using the Monteverdi viewer, this seems to be the quickest way I have found. And good. 2 more. And then we have our 9 images. If I expand the dialog here just a little bit more, we have a feathering method that I can select from, and we can do, and there's 3 different ones. There's a harmonization method. I guess this has to do with spectral bands, a harmonization mode. I'm not quite familiar with what that is. And then there's a cost function in terms of the harmonization as well. And then we can come over here and click for an output image. So let's see if I can. I already did this once before, but we'll just call this 2. Save, and then hit execute. And it runs, so this may take a little bit of time. And just kind of as a reminder, we can read through the documentation about, the parameters that are involved with mosaicing. And then as the process runs, we have our log file over here, and this will give, kind of the status on creating the mosaic. So it is running. 96%, getting close. And there we go. We have 100, and it automatically loads the mosaic. And in this case, we can come up here and do the same thing, adjust the bands, and there we have a mosaic. So I hope that was useful. Thank you, and have a nice day.